let's have a look at an example of a screenshot of analytics and see what you can see in there. So you can see here, this is a screenshot from a website, the analytics, the Google Analytics data that came from that website. And up the top, you can see that blue line that dips up and down. That's showing the number of visitors, the number of people who are visiting that website each day.
Can I just explain so that you understand what we're looking at? This is a program called Google Analytics. It's free, and it's tracking software that sits on a website. And so what it does for us, so we install this on every website, okay? And when you're working on sites, that's what you'll do as well. You just install it, it's totally free. And basically it tracks every single visitor and tells us all those things that we had on the previous slide, where they're going, what they're doing, how long they're spending. And so you can see here with this one, it's showing a bit of a trend. It shows how many people are coming in and when they're visiting.
So you can see there, the down parts are actually Saturday, Sunday every week. So we can immediately get some really good information out of that. We can say, well, if we're going to do a promotion on this website, would we be running it on a Saturday and Sunday?
Be kind of useless, wouldn't it?
Probably
really?
not. You'd be just chucking money away. And I think this is another thing that business owners often don't think about, is that we can narrow down our advertising, our promotions, our offers, all sorts of things based on the behaviour of how people are using the website. So we need to have a look at that. So obviously for this business, it's a weekday business, so we'd be really focusing on that.
And one of the terms that you'll hear used a lot in this industry, and you've probably already heard this say with social media, is engagement, okay, customer engagement. And we can tell that from looking at the statistics. So on this particular site, average time, there's a stat there that says average time on page 2 minutes 29. Now that tells Liz and I a lot. Once you get a lot of experience and you've seen thousands of websites, you know that 2 minutes 29 on page in this particular niche that this website's in is actually quite a long time. That's, I would suggest, and I'd be saying to the business owner, well done, this is an engaged audience. You've got content on there that they like, because average time on page, it is very general. It changes for all sorts of websites, but average time on page for lots of websites, when you look at the stats, is often less than 30 seconds, because in this day and age, you think we're all going 100 miles an hour, especially online where you're just clicking off things. So if you can engage someone for more than a couple of minutes, you're doing really well. So this is one of the things we really want to look at closely.